There are so many options available in the market, the process of finding the best adjustable dumbbells for beginners can be tedious and overwhelming. To make your life easier, we tested out several top models to see which ones stood out from the rest of the pack. The one that stands head and shoulder above the rest is the Snode all-iron adjustable weights. A feature complete, you can easily and quickly put the dumbbell back on the dumbbell base to adjust the dumbbell weight, smoothly and without jams. Each dumbbell can be adjusted from 8 to 50 pounds. To give you the best experience, the gear adjustment design allows only a slight gap between the handle and the dumbbell structure, to avoid abnormal noise and rock. The base is made of all cast iron and has a dovetail groove design. Here are the specifications of this great product.
Hi, this is Jamie at Snode, and I'm here to show you our newest design for an adjustable dumbbell, the AD50. One of the key features of the AD50 is that the inner plates and the bar are all connected. That means there's no movement or unnecessary sounds when you're exercising. Another advantage is the dumbbell plates. There's no notch in the plates, which means the weight is evenly distributed. Other dumbbells tend to have a notch, and that affects the weight distribution and affects your movement when you're exercising. The third feature is the dumbbell base, which is made of ductile iron and is quite heavy and sturdy, which means it doesn't come up when you lift the dumbbell on it. You can see that the dumbbell is still in perfect condition. There's not even a scratch on any of the plates or the bar.
Here's why this model is worthy of consideration. Here are the ratings of this great product. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop us a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.